you. Hazel. You. I heard your coughing, but where's that girl? She's over there. Seriously, she left you by yourself. That's just nonsense talk. I'm coming down there. I can't believe she left you by yourself, Emily. You didn't sound good, by the way. What caused that? The heat did. Seriously, the heat caused all this. Really leave anyway. She wanted to. Well, she's gonna regret it. I'll stay down here for your sake. Hazel, what are you doing down here? Your mom left. Seriously, where is she? Oh, there she is. When you're so sick, do you need some water? Do you want me to get Viper, or do you want me to go get, Hill over there? You can do whatever you want, sweetie. Get that snake's attention. How's that? That's fine. Viper, you get over here now. You listen here, Snake. You're only smart. Mom's not here, so you listen to me, Snake. Get only smart. Move on. Go get her more. Now. Where's your mother? She's talking to Raymond Dash. Now you need to get to work. Hazel's down there, and Emily's still not well, so you listen here, Snake. I'm in charge until Mom gets back. Now you get to work. I really listen to her right now. I'm really sick on me, yes, I know. You get to work. Dang, we're gonna you. Go back to your post, Snake. Hey, get off of me. Alright, I'll get my mom over here. Mom. It's not feeling good. Someone else is down there. I want you home. Hear that? I just ordered Viper to give me water, and Hazel is down there. I want you home. Yeah, well, Hazel is down there with Emily, and you should be accompanying her. I don't know about Hazel, but Hazel's down there. She is. Yeah, because you were gone, and Emily's still not well. As you can hear that. Go ahead and take charge around here while you were gone. Are you gonna go down to see Hazel or what? I'll go down there in a minute. Good, because I don't want Emily being sick. So, go down there and see her. Emily was my mom's back, but she'll be down shortly to see you. Hazel, yes. Girl, it's bad, but if you want to stay with Emily, you can, or you can choose to go back up. Do you want to stay down here? It's Burley's decision. I don't know. I'll ask what she wants to do. I don't know, but she's home. Go down there and talk to Hazel. She's still waiting. Okay, Burley didn't see you show up. They even rainbow dash. It was by consent. It wasn't my girl. You did. Why'd you leave in the first place? I talked to Rainbow Dash for a minute. Why weren't you here with your girl? She's right sick about you, and you know that, right? She's been coughing the whole time when I've been here. Why haven't you accompanied your friend? I had to do something now, Burley. You should accompany your friend, She was worried sick about you. Okay, no, I'm not. Do you want me to stay down here and you need to be up there? What do you want to do? Guess I'll stay up there. You can be down here. Are you sure? So I can go back to my place. You can stay down here. No, you stay down here. She's your friend. I just was down here while you were gone. So why don't you accompany your friend? Thanks, Hazel. No problem. Why don't you stay by your girl's side? She needs you. Emily? Yes. Your friend's by your side now. She's all tucked in and everything, so Burley's here. She's right next to you if you need her. But she's home, so if you need me again, I'll be up. If you need anything, Burley will call someone or she'll send someone down here. Speaking of which, do you want me to go out and get your meds? Sure, if you want to. Really, do you want me to do that? Yeah, would you go out with the women's Philippine Hazel? Yeah, I can do that. You take good care of your girl, though. I have to go, but I'll see Emily at Peloton. You stay by your friend's side, but I don't want her worried. Really, you're not covered all the way. You need to stay warm. There. You feeling better now? Emily, can you help me cover your friend? She's still cold. Okay, Emily, Burley's right there if you need her. So, Emily, see you at pill time, okay? But for now, Verlight's right next to you, okay? If you need her, she'll be right next to you. But, I gotta get back to my place right now. But, I'll be seeing you at 7. But, in the meantime, your friend's right next to you, okay? I'll catch you at 7, alright? Okay. Catch you then. I'm sorry you're not feeling yourself. So, yeah, I'll see you at 7, okay? Alright, see you later. Bye, Emily. Catch you at 7. I'll catch you feel better, by the way. I know. Yeah. See you later. Yeah, see you later. And you, not sleeping on a job, snake. See you at 7, Emily. See you at 7. Hello. Emily. Hi. How's Viper behaved? Damn snake. You're still cold. Better now. They're still cold. Start moving. Let's see there. No. Right there. Stay there. Hey, kids. Yeah, it's alright now. Jeez. Is Mom down there? Yeah, she's down here. That's good. And what time is all the time? 6:24. I hope you're watching the clock out there. It's like 6:24 right now. And I like my pills at 7, so I expect them to be out by the time I get out there. So much doing okay. It'll do. Make me sooner, I'll do that. Yes.